Hi, I'm Brad Hutchings. Today is April 2nd, 2024, and I'm delighted to announce the Demo Machine platform. It is the best way to build and deliver demo labs for the enterprise. Bold statement, I know. Hear me out. It is customary in this product category to have a metaphor for how powerful the solution is. We're going with my 2008 Lexus here. It is very powerful, as you can hear. It also has more miles on it than you might have imagined. Labs in the cloud are costing you tens of thousands of dollars per month to host. Meanwhile, your organization has a lot of good business laptops and PCs in the hands of the people who need to use demo labs to demonstrate your product. These are your company's 2008 Lexuses in the metaphor. I built cloud-based labs for a market leader for 8 years. 9 out of 10 labs I built could run on the $2,200 laptop I use today. CPU cores, RAM, and disk are plentiful and inexpensive. I'm going to demonstrate Demo Machine Platform in action. If it can demonstrate itself, it can demonstrate your product. Let's switch seamlessly from slide to guide. Demo Machine Platform starts with the Demos app. A lab is packaged into a large single file and distributed to sales engineers. Let's pretend you're an SE. You import the demo lab into the Demos app on your laptop by double-clicking the .demo file. 5 to 10 minutes later, the lab is available for repeated use. Here, we're doing that with a demo that has a Windows console and an embedded private GPT running on Ubuntu. We're speeding up this sequence for this video. You start the lab. About a minute later, a familiar desktop appears. Application-specific startup may take a couple more minutes. We're speeding up this sequence too. Running on your laptop, the lab is always responsive, even when you're in a far-off corner of the world, connected to lousy internet or not connected at all. Mouse clicking and keyboard typing travel mere centimeters, not thousands of miles to a cloud server and back. You do your demonstrations using the built-in guide. It automates the desktop, runs scripts, and directs you to do things which aren't so easily automated or need to be done by a human for a great demo. Perhaps you go off script and change things in the demo environment to engage your prospects. We're using the remote guide from our main window to simplify things for the demo you're watching. By the way, I'm not joking with this prompt. Write a 3-sentence invitation to celebrate ditching our expensive cloud-based demo labs. It's not an either-or decision. Demo machines are Hyper-V virtual machines packaged for easy use. Your cloud provider can figure out how to host them. The guide is inside, no need to rewrite it. Keep your cloud provider around for use cases that make sense. Cut your cloud spend significantly by running demo labs on laptops and PCs where the cloud isn't necessary. Back to workflow. You close the desktop window. The Demos app shuts down the demo. It rolls back the demo to its starting state. The demo is ready for you to run again. This is all possible because Windows 11 Pro includes Hyper-V. Intel CPUs enable embedded hypervisor with minimal perceivable performance impact. That private GPT VM, for example, is nested 3 levels deep in Hyper-V on my laptop. Your sales engineers don't need to know anything about that. The Demos app hides the complexity and just makes it easy to launch demo labs. But I hear you ask, who builds these demo labs? Who writes the guides? That's costing us tens of thousands of dollars a month too. Well, like I said, I built cloud-based demo labs and guides for 8 years. I was pretty good at it. I was expensive. But I wasn't as good as you could be because you know your product. You need good starting points, tools, and a methodology. We have that for you. Our starting points cover most of the labs I've built, and then some. Oh look, they're demo files. Desktop SP, are you showing a cloud-based product and need to sign in with credentials in a web browser? Start here. Container SP, does your product have a virtual machine? Start here. Docker, does your product install from Docker images? Start here. GPT, need a local LLM for your demo? Start here. Demo machine, I use this to create this demo. You might adapt it for general clean screen sharing. Factory, I use this for building the starting points and other demos. GPT Desktop Ubuntu, want a simple private GPT with the Ubuntu GNOME desktop? Start here. Oracle Desktop 93, CentOS fans, start here. Ubuntu Desktop 2310, Ubuntu fans, start here. No cloud resources are needed to build demo labs. You'll build them on your own laptop. Sorry, Mac people, you'll need to buy a Windows 11 Pro laptop with an Intel CPU. Apple doesn't make this doable on Apple CPUs or Mac OS yet. There's no cloud, so no cloud security considerations. As these demos run on virtual machines hosted inside your laptop, they're subject to the same inbound and outbound network security that your laptop is. They have no access to your laptop's data other than what you specifically enable, for example, through an SMB share mounted within the demo. By the way, this thing you've been watching, it's a demo machine, a lab in your parlance. We had slides, pictures, a video, and guided interactive steps. I ran this in the Demos app on my laptop while I recorded it with GameBar, which you don't see. It's ready to run again for a live or taped demo. You can make a demo lab like this with Demo Machine Platform. I spent a couple hours in Adobe Premiere on the same laptop doing post-production work. How well does your current demo lab platform work for that? We're here to help you fix your demo labs and create new ones. Drop me an email to start the conversation, brad@demomachine.net. Thank you very much.